Hey guys, welcome to Handy channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can add images into your scene in Blender. So usually there are two options to import an image, but this doesn't work if you want to import an image in your scene. So I'm going to show you how you can import it. So first of all, go to Edit, Preferences, Add-ons, and in the search bar type Images as Planes and just enable this add-on. Once enabled, you can import images from the import option, or you can add them from the add option. So I'm going to show you how this works. I'm going to add this flag here, and there you can see it's being imported. And now let me just show you. So now there you want to see it's been imported as an object. You can change its properties and it will can be seen in your renders. So guys, that's all in this video. Make sure to sub the channel and leave a thumbs up. Bye for now.